This is a war, and our blood will draw the battle lines. This is a war, and our blood will draw the battle lines.
15 Superstar of the Year award goes to Seth Rollins!
You know, there's a tiny little part of me that kind of wants to say thank you. But, I mean, let's be honest here, was there really any other option for Superstar of the Year? One wrong landing and it disappeared just like that. I want everyone to listen very closely to me. In 2016, I will redesign Seth Rollins. I will rebuild myself, and I will come back and reclaim the title that I never